Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be playing with, I was gonna say one of Colourpop's newest collection, but unfortunately, it's not. They've come out with maybe 2-3 collections after this one. So, I mean, it's only been a week or two since it came out, and Colourpop already released a few collections. But anyways, I still want to do the video, and I'm going to be playing with the Colourpop times Winnie the Pooh collection. Yay! I love Winnie the Pooh. Oh my god, I love Winnie the Pooh so much. When I was younger, I used to collect everything Winnie the Pooh, so I'm pretty excited about you know, this collection. And I didn't get all of it. I just got the eyeshadow palette, and of course I needed to get the honey pots because they're so adorable. So those are the only two things that I got from the collection. So if you're interested in seeing what I come up with, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so like I mentioned in the introduction, I bought the eyeshadow palette and the honey pots from the Winnie the Pooh collection with Colourpop. I figured, you know, I can't go wrong with either or. Even though these honey pots, I am not going to use. These are just a collector's item. I am going to put them somewhere in my vanity along with all my Winnie the Pooh collection because I think they're so cute. Now, if you haven't seen, which I'm sure you have, these are the honey pots from Colourpop. Look how cute. They're so adorable. So one of these is supposed to be the lip scrub. This is the lip scrub, and this is in Hungry Bear, and this is the lip mask, which is in Yum Yum Yum. How adorable. Oh my goodness. And not only that, but it comes with the little honeycomb stick. Do you see? Do you see how adorable that is? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to be using it. I'm going to put it right back in its cute little box. And I am going to put it away along with all my Winnie the Pooh collection. But I am going to use the palette. I thought it was really cute. This is the Winnie the Pooh unit carton. It says sweet as can be. How adorable. And then back here it has all the shade names. I love how they're shaped in the honeycomb. And it also gives you details on, of course, the eyeshadows. And this is the palette, which is similar to the unicarton right here. And then on the back it has the honeycombs and along with the shade names. Oh, this packaging is so adorable, and I really don't want to touch it, but I am. So when you open the palette, it has a little quote. It says, "Little things are beautiful too. Flowers are such friendly things." And I can agree. How adorable. How adorable is that? And then this is the eyeshadow palette right here. Very pretty, and I love how they're like a honeycomb shaped. So I'm so excited, and the names are just so cute, like Smackaroo, Think Think Thing, Sing Ho, Make Believe, Oh Bother, Rumbly, In My Tumbly. How cute. It's so adorable. So this is what I'm going to be playing with today. So why don't we just start? I already did my eyebrows per usual. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the Dual Powder, both in the shade Ebony, and I primed my lids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and then I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have on the eyes. And now we're gonna get into the palette. Oh my goodness. So first things first, what do I want to do? Okay, so I'm gonna grab my blending brush and I'm gonna go in with the color Smackaroo, which is this color right here, and I'm going to apply this to the crease. Again, I'm going in with the color Smackaroo right here in the crease. What a beautiful brown. This is such a beautiful transition color for me. Just gonna try and deepen it a little bit. I wish I had a darker brown. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go in with the color in my tumbly, which is like this burgundy color right here. This seems to be the darkest color in here, so I'm just gonna go in with this color and I'm gonna apply that color to the outer part of the lid, so right here. And again, this color is called In My Tumbly. And I'm just going to keep it on the lid. I don't want to bring it up to the crease. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with the color Smackaroo. That's the color we used in the crease, and it doesn't have any additional product. I'm just trying to blend these edges right here so it's well blended. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Think, which is this yellow right here, and I'm gonna apply that to the empty space on the lid. Okay, so I actually changed my brush to a thicker shader brush and see if I can pick up that yellow a little bit more. Alrighty, so that's what the yellow looks like. Now I think I want to use this orangey color right here, which is called Pooh Bear. So it's like a terracotta color, and I want to use this right in the middle of the yellow and that burgundy color. So like right here, just so there's somewhat of a transition between those two colors. So something like that. I think that looks really pretty. And we're just gonna keep it all matte for this look. I like the all matte look. Okay, so this is what we have going on the eyes. I like it. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do my complexion, add a liner, lashes, and then I'll come back with the final result and we can talk about this eyeshadow palette. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I love how it turned out. I love this eye look. It's so summery. It's so springy, summery. I love the pop of yellow. You know, you guys, I've been into yellow. So, so what can I say? I mean, the eyeshadow palette and the honey pots are so adorable. Super adorable. If you can get your hands on it and you like Winnie the Pooh, get it. You won't regret it. I most likely am not going to use the eyeshadow palette, even though I love the look. I'm probably just going to store it away in my little Winnie the Pooh collection stash. Because I'm pretty sure I have those colors in other palettes. But it's just, the packaging is so, it's so pretty. Colourpop did a really good job with the details to everything. I love the honeycomb pans in the eyeshadow. They're just so pretty. So pretty. And I loved these little honey pots as well. They both came with the little honeycomb. They're just so adorable. And they do smell like honey. Yeah, like honey. Honey and lemon. Yeah, they smell really good, but I'm not going to use them. I'm going to put them back in its cute little back box where it came in, and I'm just going to store it away, put it away, because I think they're so cute. So yeah, those are all my thoughts on these two products from the Colourpop times Winnie the Pooh collection. So I really hope you enjoyed today's look. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!